excited to sign up for the training. I was nervous just because I had to fly all the way here from Bismarck, North Dakota, and just kind of try to figure it all out on my own. And it's, I've struggled putting on strip lashes, so I was a little nervous about figuring out how to do each individual lash. So a little nervous. Before I started the training, I felt nervous and like I didn't know a whole lot other than having eyelash extensions myself. But now after the training and getting great one-on-one training, Karen was there the whole time, holding my hand, telling me what I should do next, and gave me great constructive criticism, and even helped me out with a model today who also gave me a lot of great pointers. So that was a huge bonus for me. I mean, every step of the way they were here to help me out, so I'm grateful. I was expecting to receive training on the classic lashes so that I could further my career in eyelashes. I was expecting a pretty intense crash course, considering it's one day, so it was a lot of information, but it all flowed really well. It wasn't overwhelming. And I've taken kind of 1 to 2 day courses in the past, not in eyelashes, but in other things, and it can be a little overwhelming, but this was great. It was very comforting, very welcoming, and it all worked out great. I thought that Karen, the instructor and the owner of Lash Blvd, was very kind and very welcoming. Just really sweet overall. Didn't feel like I couldn't ask her anything. So I would recommend her to anybody, and I'm pretty sure I'll be calling her with lots of questions in the future. My favorite part about my training was getting to know other people in the group, as well as getting to know their background and where they're coming from as well. It just kind of helped me feel a little more well-rounded and made me more comfortable in the setting to learn and to be able to ask questions instead of being a little hesitant to do so. So that was my favorite, and actually getting to attach the lashes. That was exciting. Even though it was on a little model head at first, it was pretty exciting. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm finally attaching it. So that was really exciting and probably my favorite part. And then completing a partial set on my model, and it turned out really good. So I'm really shocked at myself. This training will change and improve my business immensely. I'll be able to offer a service in my area that not a lot of people offer. It's kind of a hot commodity, and women feel great when they get in. I can't wait to expand that with the skincare and the spray tanning. I think, when customers come in, they're just gonna be able to glow from head to toe when they leave, and that's kind of all thanks to Lash Blvd. This could benefit anybody in the industry. People who are in spray tanning and want to advance, people who are in the athletic field even, because they're all about kind of feeling good, looking good, people who are already estheticians that want to further their career, to cosmetologists that want to have an additional service. I mean, anybody. I mean, as long as you have an interest, I say go for it. Give it a shot. I would tell someone who's on the fence about getting the training to just do it. Just take the leap and see what you think. What's the worst that could happen? You learn a new skill,